Welcome back, Kryptonians, to the Chart Experts continuing coverage of Bitcoin and the crypto charts and the home of clear, unambiguous price forecasting. Okay, so let's get straight to it because the markets are looking very, very exciting here. Now, in previous videos, I've explained the fact that we had this 25k level. We saw breakout above that level. We saw as you can see, buying wicks and people basically breakout traders taking their position. So this all became a buying zone. Okay. So this all became a buying zone, and we saw lots of buying and orders being placed at this level, and therefore price returned to collect these orders. Okay. Once these orders have been collected, price continued with the trend, and this tells you with that breakout bar and also this strong buying bar here that the trend is higher. Okay, it should be undeniable. Okay, I've seen all the fundamental analysis videos or all the on-chain metrics. I can't say all of them, but the popular ones. And yes, we are ignoring all of those because technical analysis is different. And I know some of those people are supposed to be technical analysts and so on, but no comment. So we see a very clear trend here. Again, this is not financial advice. This is only for educational purposes, only for paper trading and so on. Okay, so but breakout here, retested a level, breakout. Okay, and if we extend this forward, now you might be thinking we should see price going lower. It can go lower to that 28,100 level. Okay, to fill this zone in, but it's not necessary according to our models. Now, our models are very in depth, okay, and we look at things from so many different angles. So we're not really concerned about price returning to this level, okay. We see this as really quite an ideal zone where price should bounce from. Okay, so yeah, all of this zone here. Well, let's just zoom in here because this is obviously for your education and it's interesting. So many people will be looking at this particular area and thinking that this is a trading range, okay, and okay, so all of this zone here, they'll be looking at it thinking it's a trading range and we'll use a highlighter. Okay, so yeah, all of this will be looked at like a trading range, and they're not really that wrong. Okay, so trading range, and they saw a breakdown. Okay, now they might be thinking, these people, that the price is going to continue to break down lower. Okay, but what we can see is that it did not. Okay, so yes, it did break down below, but it did not break down further. Okay, why? Because there's a strong uptrend in progress. Okay, so price returning down is simply, in our opinion, to collect stop loss orders. Okay, so stop loss orders collected, and then price moves higher. Okay, it ended up higher there, and again it ended up higher, and it ended up higher. Well, the wicks were higher anyway. Okay, so bearing in mind that there was no continuation to the downside, it's confirming our hypothesis that there is plenty of buying here. So any selling is being absorbed, in our opinion, and it's being absorbed because this market is getting ready for a very strong move higher. Okay. So back to the weekly, what we would say here is that we saw the breakout. Okay, we saw the retest and obviously collection of orders, and then we saw a breakout higher. Okay, and then remember, breakout traders collected orders here. Okay, and when price moved higher again, what are they going to do? They are going to collect orders again. Okay, it doesn't need to move lower, in our opinion, because, well, our models tell us that it doesn't need to move lower. It can, but it's not necessary here. Okay, and we are expecting for price to continue to move higher. Okay, so this is where we are expecting for price to go from here. We're expecting it to go higher, right? So it's all looking very peachy as far as we are concerned. Everyone is in position. So we've got the whales who accumulated below 25k. We've got breakout traders who accumulated below 28k, and then we had breakout traders who are buying the confirmed breakout of the breakout, who are accumulating from 31,800 down to 2,800. Okay, so there's a reason why price has been holding in this area, and it's simply, in our opinion, to absorb all the selling, and then once that selling is absorbed, and it is the end of the month really, we don't see that much further to go really. It might be a few days, but very shortly we expect for price to break out and to move strongly higher. Okay, but this is it should be clear. These green weekly bars should tell you something, and if they don't tell you something, then you're not reading the charts properly, in our opinion. Okay, hey, this is Asim at the Chart Experts, wishing you every success. Take care of yourself and your crypto. Share these videos and join us on our Patreon channel. Support us there if you like this type of content. Hey, this is Asim at the Chart Experts, wishing you every success. Till next time. Bye-bye.